Good day, class. The topic that we're going to discuss today is about broadcast media inspired radio and television teaching strategies. The term broadcast media covers a wide spectrum of different communication methods such as television and radio. To broadcast is to send entertainment and information via one-way electronic media to the general public. Broadcasts usually are intended for recreation, enlightenment, education, experimentation, or emergency messaging. And the broadcasters are the professionals working in the various electronic mass media. Television has no inventor. This technology was created over time and improved upon by many different people. Television is one of the most important inventions of the 20th century. Television is now very affordable, making it accessible to most people. And television has been used widely as an educational tool since the 1950s. Guglielmo Marconi was dubbed as the inventor of the radio. However, some claim it was actually Nikola Tesla. Radio has been used in education. Children had opportunity to listen to speeches, hear children's programming, listen to stories and news from around the world on the radio live. Today, radio still has its uses. Children who do not have formal education are listening to teachers from around the world and learning math, science, and so much more. And these are the learning theories that serve as effective guides in the use of broadcast media in the classroom. The first one is cognitivism. It builds on what the learner already knows. It is a learning theory that emphasizes the active mental processing of information. The second one is communities of practice. Students learn in part by engaging in activities within their community. Peer collaboration is required. The third one is discovery learning. An inquiry-based, constructivist learning theory that takes place in problem-solving situations where the learners draw on his or her own past experiences and existing knowledge to discover facts and relationships and new truths to be learned. And the last one is situated learning. Learning is embedded within activity, context, and culture. It is also usually unintentional rather than deliberate. This is also called legitimate peripheral participation. That's all for today. Thank you.